Anything new art that you've learned over this period of lockdown?
नहीं यार, मैंने कुछ सीखा ही नहीं इस लॉकडाउन में.
सीखा ना बेबी, खाना बनाना सीखा, झाड़ू लगाना
Lessons तो
सीखा.
बड़े
हाँ,
सीखे.
वही
I know
तो.
how to make a bunch of dishes in the kitchen. I learned how to clean, to mop. I don't know if that's something to learn at this awful age, but
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
I learned that. And the lesson I learned was that nothing is in your control, so just go with the flow.
Very good. And tell us about Masaba. It is based on your real life. How much of cinematic liberty was taken?
No, we were actually involved. So it's a 6-part series actually. It's
I've seen 2 of them.
Right. So I mean, we were there. We were involved right from the beginning when we started scripting, from when the screenplay was written to the dialogues. So I don't think there was anything as cinematic liberty. It was just that we shared what we wanted to share, and they took it on from there. Anytime when there was a bit of fiction that came in, we just made sure that it's done in a very realistic manner. But yeah, I think we control the script to a great extent, and the rest. I mean, Sonam's done a great job as a director because she's shown it in a very light and fun, light-hearted way, I think.
And Neena ji, what was your take? How did it come? Like, how did it happen?
Well, they had contacted Masaba earlier and told her 2-3 years ago. And when they came to me, I was very confused and very surprised. Ki, what are they going to make? I mean, is it a documentary or what, reality show or what? So I was very confused. I was very excited that this is a very good idea. But how will they put this idea into action was quite a confusing thing for me. But when we started working on it, we sat with the writers and the director, and then they made a dhacha of it and a storyline with beginning, middle, and end. Then me and Masaba started them up with some real stories of our life. And from there, they decided what to keep when, what to remove, what not to talk about. ऐसे करके बना और जब मैंने 6 स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी इवेंचुअली तो आई रियली लव द स्क्रिप्ट्स. It was amazing, all the 6 episodes, and so then there was no problem. Shooting was not a problem. It was basically scripting, which is the most important thing.
And Neena ji, I just want to know from you how difficult it's one of the parts where you mentioned Masaba is from the time I was born, there was a lot of controversy. How difficult was it for you, Masaba, and how difficult was it for you, Neena ji, when the time, I think you've mentioned it in one of the episodes, I saw it yesterday only. Like, how difficult was it for you to deal with single parenting, and how difficult was it for Masaba when she was growing up?
If you come to think of it, if I was not a celebrity, okay, a whole lot of women in our country and all over the world are single mothers. Sometimes when I used to crib that I'm a single mother, so my friends who are very happily married with kids, they used to say, we are also single mothers. The only difference is our husband earns and he gets the money. Otherwise, in today's time, where does a man have time? If you want to live a little comfortably, he has no time to spend with the children. So basically,
Exactly.
he's a provider and a woman is a nurturer. So,
Nurturer. Yeah.
so they are single mothers only. Apart from the fact that they have a provider, my thing was different. And also, don't forget, we have a lot of women. Some of them are poor or lower middle class, and all whose husbands just go away, leaving the children to them. Like most of my maids in my house, my staff in my house are single. They have children. The men have gone away. So it is not a new thing. And women eventually manage. It was tough for me also, and it was talked a lot about because I was a celebrity. I was a public figure. If I was not, if I was like a maid who works for me, if I was that, then nobody would talk about it. So it is tough to be a provider and a nurturer both. It is tough for anybody in this kind of a situation, and we have a whole lot of women in our country who are in this kind of a situation. So it just, you have to work harder. That's it. You have to work harder.
And Masaba, for you, how difficult was it in school and initial years?
As a child, you grow up with a sense of distrust in everybody, I think, because what happens is that you think that, oh, I'm a young child, and I'm the same as this one and that one in my class or whatever, and you think that you should be treated the same way, but somehow you're treated differently. So I think you have a little bit of confusion and distrust in humanity in general. Having said that, I think when you're young, you also have the privilege of the fact that you forget things very easily, and they do come back. I think by the time you're an adult, they start showing up in your life in different shapes and forms. But I think as a child, you're so engrossed with having a good time and eating the kind of food you want to eat and playing outside that you forget, you know. So I had a very normal childhood. I had a childhood which I would repeat again because it was very happy. And more than anything, it was a very transparent childhood. I think it's worse when kids are hidden from the truth, when they are not told what is actually going on in a given scenario, because then you don't trust your parents. So at least for me, I had a lot of faith in my family system. Whether or not my parents were together, I trusted both of them as individuals, and I knew that I could go to them to get very clear advice or clear feedback on whatever the situation is. So I didn't find it that hard. I think it's harder when you're older because you focus so much on the negatives. As a child, you're only busy focusing on the good stuff.
And when the show was offered to you, like, were you hesitant? Because this is something different. No? You're a designer and a well-known designer. So this is something different. And your mom has been a wonderful actor, but this is a new place that you're stepping in. Were you a little hesitant, or were you a little skeptical that they kare, nahi kare, or what was it like?
No, not at all. I was just skeptical about the treatment of the series. I just wanted to make sure that it is done in a very I would say, it should not look crass. It should be done in a very classy, dignified manner. But that's the only thing I was skeptical about. I wasn't skeptical about facing the camera. I was just a bit concerned about what is the treatment of the series. That's all. That's all.
And Masaba, is it going to be your step? This was your first acting debut, right? Yeah. So, are you
Yes.
planning more?
I think the thing about actors is that you can dream a lot, but finally the opportunities that lend themselves to you are sometimes limited. So I can continue dreaming. There's nothing wrong with it. I would love to do more work, but if something comes my way, then yes, of course.
Okay. And will designing be always your first priority, or what if acting takes over? Have you ever thought about that?
Yeah, design will always be my first priority because I have a pretty substantial, large label that I've built over 11 years.
Yes.
I intend to run it professionally till the end of time. But I also believe that you have to balance your life. Everything can't be about work. So for me, acting is like play. It's like a passion that I will pursue if at all I do.
It's second profession kind. We will always take it as.
Right.
And Neena ji, in one of the episodes, it's been shown like if you went to Farah Khan and they said that you're going to offer a role, and then you're not offered the role. How common is it in Bollywood? In Hollywood, it is not like that. That after a certain age, you will not be given a role. Like, how common is it in Bollywood or in the Indian film industry? I'm not even talking Bollywood. Indian film industry, that after a certain age, roles come down. Like, how much have you been affected by it?
A lot, because I didn't come when I was a teenager to this film industry, and television saved my life because I could do a lot of work, a lot of different roles. But yeah, but I also feel that this happens because in our society also, a woman's role after a particular age is only being a housewife, looking after the family, the elders, the children. So if that is how our society is, then how will they write something else like they write in Hollywood? Because there the whole society is very different. So, see, now things are changing. Women are
Huh.
earning. They're becoming more independent. So now you see sudden change in the writing, also in the projects, also. Also, see people, younger people. I have worked with a lot of young actors and actresses. They are very bright, very intelligent, and they are willing to experiment also at a young age also. So because they are willing to experiment, because the audience is also changing a bit, the lot of good writing is happening. So even at this age now, I have got 2 3 good scripts offered to me, very good roles, which was
So,
unthinkable.
and what has been your favorite platform, television or films? What was it like?
I don't discriminate like that because I feel जहाँ पे भी अच्छा रोल मिल जाए वो मेरे लिए बेस्ट है. Whether it's
Content.
theater, हाँ, whether it's TV, whether it's कुछ भी. have always been hungry for a good role. पेट कभी भरा नहीं, अब थोड़ा थोड़ा अच्छा खाना मिल रहा है तो अच्छा लग रहा है. So, but
So,
I was always hungry. Yeah.
has the OTT changed the entire outlook towards content, films, and everything?
Yes, it has. I think OTT has a lot of contribution to the changes which are happening now in the content, and like as compared to the television, because I didn't like the way television was doing the content, especially the content and all. But that is how television has been. It has definitely changed the scenario. Yes.
And do you think that this is going to be the future of entertainment? I'm sure it's and has the pandemic fastened the process?
I think it will become better and better. It's not just OTT. You see the films which are being made these days,
Yeah.
and people are liking those films. You see what kind of films? I mean, one of the last 2 3 years has been amazing films also, as far as the content is concerned, and OTT, of course, because of OTT, and I think it will become better and better in future.
Do you all share the same relationship that's been shot in the first 2 episodes that I've shared, the Khatta Meeta, Kabhi Jhagra, like regular mom and daughter relationship? And you have been shown in a typical mom's role. Are you really that typical, or you have been like this moms who have today's moms, or you have been that way mom kind?
She's a bit of both. She's somebody who's super conservative in certain areas, and she's somebody who's super modern in some areas. So I would say she's very much like the moms of today, but there's a streak in her which is old school as well. So yeah, but the relationship see that's played out on screen is actually, I would say, nearly a 90% representation of what we're like in real life. So the
Hey, Mama, give me
fights, the
paratha and
khana,
achar and
mama give me paratha. Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
okay. And when like who has been your inspiration? Who is going to be an inspiration when it comes to acting? Who will be your inspiration? Your mom?
Yeah, I think many people actually, not just my mom. I greatly admire her choices in both television and film. Secondly, I think it would be somebody like um, I love Saif Ali Khan's work. I think he's done some incredible work. I love the work Kareena has done. I love the work Konkana Sen Sharma has done. So I think a mix of all these people, I would really like to do stuff like that.
In one of the places you've been mentioned that mom, आपने तो अपना जिंदगी, you have done whatever fun things you had to do in your life. Why are you like a typical mom telling me to do this, not to do this, eat this, not to eat this? So, has she actually been like that? Yes, Nina ji, have you actually been like that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm very bad. I'm very bad. I'm typical mom, like any other mom, and I, I am always ये खाओ, खाओ, वो मत खाओ. ये मत लगाओ, चेहरे पे ये लगाओ, like that. Yeah, I'm typical that mom. Sorry.
And you've
but
been
I
very
am.
protective, right? No, but you're very protective, no? Overprotective kind.
I am. All single
not
parents are.
overprotective. I think protective, just protective.
Protective, huh?
हाँ.
Good. Acha, theek hai. And so I've told just to wrap it up soon. I'll just and Neena ji, who has been your inspiration? Whose work do you like the most in the craft wise?
Craft wise. Lot of people.
A lot of people
Lot
among
of
the
people.
newcomers.
Among the newcomers, I like Ayushman. I like Ayushman. और कौन कौन है मुझे याद नहीं आता जल्दी से बताओ
You
तो मैं
like
बताऊंगी.
Vicky, mom. You like Vicky Kaushal very much.
I like
Vicky
Vicky
Kaushal.
Kaushal, Ayushman, Alia, Kangna. Who else is there? Who else is there?
Yeah, Kangna's done some
Young
great
में
work,
से.
yeah.
हाँ.
या
हाँ.
और कौन है? बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने तापसी,
Rajkumar, Rao,
Tapsi.
Tapsi,
भूमि,
everybody, yeah.
राजकुमार
भूमि,
राव,
हाँ,
so
हाँ.
many, yeah, भूमि, राजकुमार, हुमा, और and Swara, of course.
हाँ, Swara Bhaskar.
Yeah, Swara Bhaskar, and another one I'm forgetting her name.
Radhika Apte?
Radhika Apte, पर मैंने राधिका का ज्यादा काम देखा नहीं है, so I can't say much, but I've heard she's very good. And another one, Musaba, who's engaged to Ali, what's her name?
Richa Chadha.
Richa.
Oh, where did it go?
Yeah. Where did you go?
yeah,
Yeah, Richa. So
yeah,
these people have done amazing work.
It was
Alright.
great talking to both of you.
Okay.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, Neena ji.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.